Welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. Super excited to finally have one in stock. It's been a while. We're going to start here at the exterior. We have the light blue hull color, stainless steel components around the boat with this nice stainless steel rub rail. This boat does come with this galvanized trailer. Up at the bow, we do have a bow filler cushion and also a trolling motor panel there, so you can mount your own trolling motor. And then bimini top, we've got a nice cushion and backrest here on a cooler with your rod holders. We have storage underneath this compartment as well. Powered by JL audio, so you have a couple speakers up here at the helm for great sound quality. And then the helm chair, you can see it, it's positioned here facing towards the helm, and then you can also rotate it the other way. So if you're anchored and hanging out, it's a really great spot to relax. We have the 60 horsepower Mercury outboard, stainless steel telescope and ladder that makes it life easier to get in and out of the boat. And as we walk around to the other side here, again, low profile rub rails, you've got your stainless steel cleats, and then your teak boarding steps. So it's a great feature that's included on this 15 Montauk. Got a compartment here for some of your tackle, and then cup holders up here. So great looking boat. Again, we're very excited to finally have one in stock. This is located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to stop on by, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.